Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glambag Plus for the month of February 2022. So here's the box, guys. And I gotta tell you guys, the contents in this bag is slightly different from the other PR boxes that I've seen, so I'm kind of excited because Ipsy hasn't done that before. We usually get all of the same PR bags, but yeah, mine is slightly different, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to see what's in this box this month, then keep on watching. Okay guys, the bag is gorgeous. I love this pink marbling effect. Like, oh, pink, my favorite colors. We match. And then this just tiny detail with the heart, and it's kind of like a brownish brown in the middle and then gold. It's so elegant and chic. And then of course the Ipsy logo right there. I'm keeping this bag. So last month I said I would keep that bag, and this month I'm gonna keep this one too. First of all, I want to say thank you to Ipsy for gifting me this bag. They gifted me the Glambag, which is around $14 a month, and they also gave me the Glambag Plus, which is around $29 a month. So let's start with the Glambag, the regular one. You get about 4 to 5 sample or deluxe size items, totaling about $50 per bag. And sometimes you get 1 or 2 full-size items depending. And sometimes, guys, I actually get them mixed up. Like, I put a full-size item in here by accident and they actually go with the Glambag Plus because sometimes they're outside of the bags. So I just don't know. But this time I think I'm pretty sure with this one. First off, the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. Okay, I love trying new toners, so I will be keeping this one. Grown Alchemist is like kind of a bougie brand. I'll try to put the price for the full-size item for this product. Actually, I'm currently trying their facial scrub, the exfoliator, and it's pretty good. Next one is, let's just go ahead and do the full size. This is by Cali or Cali. This is a liquid eyeliner. Okay, we got a liquid eyeliner in our bag last month and the month before, so I will be gifting this away. And speaking of gifts, guys, stay tuned because at the end of this video I have an Ipsy giveaway. Okay, I want to give away all of the items that I've gotten from Ipsy the last few months, but not all of them, like just certain ones that I can't use or I can't get to because I'm getting too many products. I want someone else to enjoy them. So nice eyeliner. You know what I like about this eyeliner? It's not the black one. This is kind of the shade before their darkest black. So it kind of points to you what shade it is. So I don't know. I kind of want to keep it. I do need eyeliners, but we'll see. We'll see. And then we also got a Fluff Up Brow Max, which is new to me. I don't know if this is new, but it's by Benefit. Benefit is all about the brows, guys. And so I'm so excited. I'll make sure to try it and update you guys later on this month. And then we have, okay, I can't read this, but I don't want to open it. It's a mascara. I heard from my good friend Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty that it's actually better to just buy sample size or travel size mascaras because they last just as long as the regular mascaras and you pay half the price. So I think I'm gonna start getting like smaller tubes of mascaras. Next one is the Pear Nova. This is a lip balm. Pear Nova. I've never heard of this brand before, but let's see. It looks like this. Okay, what brand has this kind of tip at the middle? I want to try this so bad, but I want to take a picture of it first because it's so pretty. It looks like the color that I would gravitate towards, where it has a brown undertone. So maybe this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so excited. So that is everything in the Ipsy Glam Bag, guys. We have the mascara, we have the Benefit Brow Gel, we have the Pear Nova Lip Balm, and then the full-size item, which is the eyeliner. So I know, I think I want to keep this. I don't know. Here's the card. I haven't shown it to you guys yet. Okay, this Valentine's Day, we're showing Me Love with Made For You playlist, sending besties, LOL, worthy TikToks, and of course, self-care. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, at-home facials, glossy red nails, you deserve it. I love it. Yes, the theme for this month is like self-love, and it even says it on the bag. It says self-love is the best love. I totally agree. I think you have to love yourself first before you can love others and be the best you can be for others. Next one is the Glambag Plus. It looks beautiful. I love this theme this month. Set this down. They got this bag right this month, guys. Okay, let's just go with the first item I pulled out. This is a brush. Okay, it looks pretty. Love Craft Beauty. Okay, I saw others getting like the one that has hearts on them, which is so pretty too, but I'm just as excited for this one. Like, this would be more like my style, but for the theme for this month, maybe I would have preferred getting the hearts brush, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Okay, next one is the Fab Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Okay, we like that. We want to purge our pores, right? And First Aid Beauty is an amazing brand, and it's Fab Pharma. Okay, I know the regular First Aid Beauty brand, but the Pharma brand kind of gives me like pharmacy. So I feel like maybe it's like a medicated, more medical grade kind of product. So, okay, I'm definitely gonna try that. Even though I'm not like 100% mask girl, like I love sheet mask more than like clay mask, but hey, it's First Aid Beauty, we gotta try it. The other one, guys, this is gonna be part of the giveaway because I've actually had it before. It's the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Winter Cream, and this is a good one, guys. Actually, I love this as a morning moisturizer. It has a little bit of stickiness to it, which helps like your makeup grab onto your skin better. But oh my gosh, look at the packaging, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna open it because this is skincare, but this is gonna be in a giveaway, guys. I recently got my Tatcha skincare products from the Tatcha Fukubukuru bags. And so if you're interested and want to see what's in that bag, check it out. I'll make sure to link it up here somewhere. So I'm set. I'm pretty much set for skincare for a while. So I don't want to put too many different kinds of skincare on my face. So this is going on a giveaway, guys, the Ipsy giveaway. Everyone got this. It seems like, at least the ones that I've seen. This is the Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram. I love it. But graham crackers. Get it? So cute. Eyeshadow palette. I couldn't wait to get this. If you look at the packaging, it seems like, oh, it's going to be a neutral brown palette. But wait for it. Wait for it. How pretty is this? So pretty. This is all of the colors that I gravitate towards. You've got the orange, you've got the blues, some purples, and then some reds and pinks. Okay, is that a swatch right there? I feel like someone swatched that. Anyways, whatever. I'm not gonna complain, it's free. Unless it's like, obviously, like super used, right? I heard that there's like 2 duochrome shades here. Guys, be on the lookout for another video, and I'm gonna try this palette because I'm super excited for this. Super pretty. I'm definitely keeping that one. And then the last one is another good one. This is, I mean, I've never heard of this brand. It's MOTD Blush Duo. So it looks like a blush and a highlighter combo. Love the packaging, kind of like the mauve blushed pink. And look at that. It has a rubber band to keep it closed. I like that. I've never seen that in any type of blush brand before, so that's new. All right, this is my new motto. You be you, only better. Wow. Okay, this is so pretty. This kind of reminds me of like the Charlotte Tilbury blushes where they have like a different color in the middle and then that round shape outside. How pretty is that? Okay, since I can't afford Charlotte Tilbury, I am going to definitely try this and maybe compare, you know, who knows. Comment down below if you guys have heard of this brand before. So that is everything, guys, in my Ipsy Glam bag. We've got the we got the Beauty Bakery palette. We have the Saturday Skin moisturizer. We have the blush by MOTD. We have the brush. And we have the First Aid Beauty. So guys, I am in the process of giving out some of my Ipsy products. So for this first giveaway, it's gonna be in this lovely, beautiful pink marbled bag right here. I'm gonna give away the Saturday Skin, the brush. Actually, I also have these, guys. So whatever you want. Okay, for this winner, you get a choice of these brushes. And if I'm not mistaken, all of them are from my Ipsy bags. So you get to choose what you want. Then a choice of one palette. I have the Wing Me Ambitious Violet Eyeshadow Palette. And if you guys want to know what it looks like, you can just check it out in my previous Ipsy videos. I'll make sure to link them down below. We have the Ciate, the Velvet Palette. I have Estate Edit and the Cab Cosmetics palette as well. So your choice. You know what? Let's just do two. You get to choose two of these palettes. Okay, you get to choose one brush set or brush, whatever you want. And then you get the Saturday Skin moisturizer. How about that? And plus the bag itself, this bag right here, I'm gonna give away. So if you want to enter this giveaway, comment what you do to express self-love. Like how do you find me time? How do you pamper yourself, right? Comment that down below and I'll make sure to enter you in the giveaway. And then make sure to check all of the rules in the description box. And yeah, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.